नाइट्रोजेन दीटा हेटेरो आटम रही तेणु 6 मेंबर रिंग दिस इज पाइरान पिरिडिन 1 हेटेरो आटम पाइरान रे गोटे ऑक्सीजन रही गोटे हेटेरो आटम रही पिरिडिन रे 6 मेंबर रिंग गोटे हेटेरो आटम नाइट्रोजेन रही दीटा हेटेरो आटम एटा तो पिरिडाजिन पिरिमिडिन पाइराजिन एटा ना गुडाक तार नोमेनक्लेचर आज एगुडाकर पढ़िबा आमे दिस इज द फ्यूज हेटेरोसाइकिल सेगुडा सब गला सिंगल ये दीटा फ्यूज हेची गोटे 6 मेंबर रिंग रे गोटे 5 मेंबर रिंग फ्यूज हेची देखो इंडोल बेंजोफ्यूरान क्विनोलिन गोटे 6 मेंबर क्विनोलिन ये भी सेठी 6 मेंबर आइसो क्विनोलिन तमे गुडा पढ़ी छ बीएससी तमर एटा बीएससी ग्रेजुएशन रे पढ़ी छ ना
मैडम 12 वर्ष है छाड़ी मोर मन भी ना हाँ पढ़ी टिके टिके मन पड़ुची
अच्छा अच्छा आउ कि पिला जॉइन कले
ना ए जाए तो जॉइन के करना
कौन है ये अच्छा हो आम पढ़ई दबा कौन करवा क्लास तो अच्छी पढ़ेबा ठीक अच्छे कंडेंस तापर कार्बाजोल देख तीनटा मेंबर फ्यूज दीटा 6 मेंबर रिंग मझिरे गोटे 5 मेंबर रिंग गोटे अच्छी गोटे हेड्रोस कार्बाजोल एठी भी देखो दिस इज कॉल्ड प्यूरिन दिस इज पेट्रिडिन दीज आर ऑल आर हेट्रोसाइक्लिक रिंग ହେଲା हेट्रोसाइकिल माने हेटेरो आटम नाइट्रोजन लागिची ऑक्सीजन लागिची सल्फर लागिची एगुडा सब हेटेरो आटम ହେଲା जो हेटेरो आटम जो गुडा कोरे लागि थाए से गुडा को हेट्रोसाइक्लिक रिंग 5 मेंबर रिंग अच्छी 6 मेंबर रिंग अच्छी फ्यूज्ड रिंग एगुडा सब फ्यूज्ड रिंग 5 मेंबर संगे 6 मेंबर फ्यूज हेची 6 मेंबर संगे 6 मेंबर फ्यूज हेची तेणु एगुडा सब ହେଲା कंडेंस और फ्यूज्ड हेट्रोसाइक्लिक कंपाउंड्स ऑक्सीजन हेटेरो आटम जेतल देख ऑक्सीजन जेतल लगिची आमे ऑक्सा कहूचे जेतल सल्फर आटम गोटे लागुची आमे कहूचे दिस इज कॉल्ड थाया सेलेनियम आटम व्हेन इट इज अटैच्ड इट इज कॉल्ड सेलेना नाइट्रोजन आजा फॉस्फोरस हेले फॉस्फा एमती नोमेनक्लेचर गुडा का होउची देखो you can see here ethylene oxide methane ethane the two carbon atoms are there so it is and one oxygen is there it is ethylene oxide this is furan one heteroatom oxygen is there 5 member ring this is a 3 member ring this is 5 member ring this is called furan देखो सफिक्स हेटेरोआटम नोमेनक्लेचर केमती हेची देखो रिंग साइज 3 हेले हम जदी सैचुरेटेड अछि सैचुरेटेड जदी थिबो देयर इज नो डबल बॉन्ड देथबो ता ना होची इरेन अनसैचुरेटेड जदी डबल बॉन्ड रहिची इरिन ईएनई एथर लागुची एथरे एएनई लागुची फॉर जेंती ऑक्सीटेन देखो एथि एडी पडे गला 4 मेंबर रे इटेन 5 मेंबर रे ओलेन ओले अनसैचुरेटेड रे लागुची केमती ते भली भाव देखो एठी 3 मेंबर रिंग ऑक्जा इरेन एटा होची सैचुरेटेड रिंग देयर इज नो डबल बॉन्ड एएनई लागिची एएनई इरेन ऑक्जीरेन एटा गेला ऑक्जा प्लस इरेन ऑक्जीरेन एटा देखो आजा कंपाउंड नाइट्रोजन अछि आजा प्लस इरिडिन आजिरिडिन दिस नेम इज आजिरिडिन you can see when the same heteroatom is present 1 3 dioxazolone 1 2 3 4 5 numbering is there 1 3 1 and 3 एक और 3 पोजीशन रे ऑक्सीजन अछि तेनु ता ना कोन हैला 1 3 डाइऑक्सोलोन दीटा ऑक्सीजन 1 पोजीशन रे 3 पोजीशन ने अछि so its name is 1 3 डाइऑक्सोलोन you can see here 1 2 4 triazole 1 पोजीशन 2 पोजीशन 4 पोजीशन रे हेटेरो आटम रहिची नाइट्रोजन आटम रहिची so its name is 1 2 4 triazole it's called pyrimidine numbering you can start from nitrogen 1 2 3 4 5 6 देखि पारछो ना स्क्रीन को स्क्रीन देखुछ तो you can see 1 position 3 position nitrogen atoms are there so its name is 1 3 diazine when the केमिति नंबरिंग टा केमिति कोठू स्टार्ट करिवो यू कैन सी when the दीटा डिफरेंट एटम अछि सल्फर अछि और नाइट्रोजन दीटा हेटेरो एटम when two hetero atoms are in a same ring you can start केमती नंबरिंग टा कोठू स्टार्ट हबो ना ऑक्सीजन इज ग्रेटर देन फर्स्ट ऑक्सीजन then sulfur then nitrogen then phosphorus arsenic silicon boron like this so oxygen number 1 हबो sulfur nitrogen अछि तेनु sulfur रा नंबरिंग टा 1 हबो you can see sulfur 1 2 3 4 5 so its name is sulfur is greater than nitrogen so its name is thia plus aza plus ol 1 3 thiazole its name is 1 3 thiazole 1 आग रहिबो 1 कारण सल्फर अछि नाइट्रोजन अछि माने सल्फर आग रहिबो प्रीफिक्स दिया जिवो प्रेफरेंस दिया जिवो सल्फर को 1 पोजीशन रे 1 3 thiazole you can see here 4 membered ring thiaten sulfur is there this is called thiaten this you can see two heteroatoms are there pyridine now you can see the fusion nomenclature fusion the benzofuran furan is the base ring here 4 6 membered ring here is another 5 membered ring in 5 membered ring one heteroatom is there oxygen is there furan ring is there furan here you can see base ring is furan lagichi oxygen is greater than priority hochi ago oxygen tapare sulfur ତେଣୁ ବେସ୍ ରିଙ୍ଗଟା ହେଉଛି ବେସ୍ ରିଙ୍ଗଟାକୁ ଫ୍ୟୁରାନକୁ ବେସ୍ ରିଙ୍ଗଟା କୁହାଯାଉଛି କାରଣ ବେସ୍ ରିଙ୍ଗ ଅକ୍ସିଜେନ୍ ଇଜ୍ ଗ୍ରେଟର ଦେନ୍ ପ୍ରାୟୋରିଟି ନମ୍ବର ହେଉଛି ଅକ୍ସିଜେନର ଆଗ ତାପରେ ସଲଫରର ତେଣୁ ଫ୍ୟୁରାନଟା ହେଉଛି ବେସ୍ ରିଙ୍ଗ ନାଇଟ୍ରୋଜେନ୍ ଅକ୍ସିଜେନ୍ ଏଠି ଅଛି ନାଇଟ୍ରୋଜେନ୍ ବେସ୍ ରିଙ୍ଗ ହେଉଛି ନାଇଟ୍ରୋଜେନ୍ ଅକ୍ସିଜେନ୍ ଥିଲେ ନାଇଟ୍ରୋଜେନଟା ଆଗ ରହିବ ତାପରେ ଅକ୍ସିଜେନ୍ ବେସ୍ ରିଙ୍ଗଟା ଏଠି ହେଲା ପାଇରୋଲ ଏଠି ବି ନାଇଟ୍ରୋଜେନ୍ ସଲଫର ନାଇଟ୍ରୋଜେନ୍ ଆଗ ରହିବ ନାଇଟ୍ରୋଜେନ୍ ପ୍ରାୟୋରିଟି ନମ୍ବର 1 नाइट्रोजेन बेस रिंग होची pyridine 6 membered ring एठी pyridine एटा होची बेस रिंग टा अछि एठी बेस रिंग देखो in case the ring of unequal size are there when contains the heteroatom the ring of large size taken at the base ring जदि सेम heteroatom अछि एथरे भी ऑक्सीजन अछि 6 membered ring रे भी ऑक्सीजन अछि 5 membered ring रे भी ऑक्सीजन अछि बेस रिंग होबो जोटा अधिका membered ring 6 membered ring टा होबो बेस रिंग you can see here base ring is oxazole oxazole जदि different दीटा ring fuse ହେଇଛି गोटे ring रे nitrogen आ गोटे ring रे nitrogen oxygen is there the number of heteroatom जदि different अछि base ring is that ring contains more number of heteroatom जो थरे अधिका number of heteroatom थबो सेटा को हमें कहिबा base ring अधिका number एथरे oxygen अछि nitrogen दीटा heteroatom अछि तेणु this is called base ring this is when the atoms are different it have the base ring hela oxygen nitrogen joti achi base ring hela here it is oxazole is the base ring oxazole this is the base ring two different atom achi tenu eta hochi oxygen is greater than nitrogen priority basis re this is the base ring quinoline is the base ring bicyclic and polycyclic system can also be chosen as the base ring এটা bicyclic compound this quinoline এটা হচ্ছে quinoline এপটে রয়েছে তেণু সেটা হচ্ছে quinoline is the base ring you can see this is called in this compound bridge head where এটি fuse ହେଇଛି this is called this dita ring when the two rings are fused together here this is the bridge this is called bridge head choice between the sulfur and nitrogen but sulfur priority is more greater than the nitrogen so numbering is just numbering sulfur priority number 1 hobo tenu sulfur ru start hela numbering 1 2 3 4 3 4 5 6 7 replacement nomenclature this is oxacyclopropane aza cyclobutane, cyclobutane 4 member ring, this is 3 member ring, cyclopropane ring, this is butane ring, this is pentane ring, pentane this is 5 member ring, thia sulfur अछि thia, nitrogen ଯେତେବେଳେ ଅଛି ତା ନା ହଉଛି aza, oxygen ଯେତେବେଳେ ଅଛି ତା ନା ହେଲା oxa। ତେଣୁ ସ୍ପେକ୍ଟ୍ରାଲ ତାପରେ ଦେଖିବା ଏଇଟା ସବୁ ନୋମେନକ୍ଲେଚର ଗଲା ତାପରେ ସ୍ପେକ୍ଟ୍ରାଲ କ୍ୟାରେକ୍ଟରିଷ୍ଟିକ୍ସ ୟୁଭି UV spectra in the UV spectrum different bands obtained and the unsaturated systems such as furan ro code देखेबो UV रे spectrum रे 200 nanometer whereas pyridazine shows at 346 nanometer। pi star in the monocyclic agent exhibit two bands UV spectra, one between 240 to 260 nanometer due to pi star transition, and other at the longer wavelength occur between 270 to 340 nanometer due to n pi star transition। n pi star transition is longer wavelength 270 to 340 nanometer n pi star transition। Here there are some compounds UV spectral data of the aza heterocyclic compound. You can see here these are the compounds pyridine, pyridazine, pyrimidine, pyrazole, benzene, and this is the pi star transition, n pi star transition. In the UV spectrum here it has already given pi star transition code देखेबो pyridine रो n pi star transition गुडा को code देखेबो। Generally n pi star transition गुडा को this is the more अधिका सबुथेरे अधिका n pi star transitions are more longer wavelength n pi star transition। Protonation of the nitrogen atom eliminate n pi star ring eliminates n pi star band from the spectrum but increase the intensity at the pi star band without changing its position। जदि गोटे प्रोटोनेशन रे प्रोटोनेशन टा n pi star transition को कमी दिए। In the pyridine, the n pi star bond is observed only in the hexane or the solvent because alcohol is shift toward the shorter wavelength and masked by the pi star transition। Here, UV spectral data of the monocyclic 5-membered heterocyclic compound. 5-membered heterocyclic compound, this is pyrrole, these are all 5-membered. Pyrrole, furan, thiophene, imidazole, oxazole, thiazine, this is the pi star transition। You can see pi star transition. There is no n pi star transition. Only thiazole has the n pi star transition। The n pi star transition is not observed in them because of the large S character and the smaller ring size। Okay, due to the smaller ring size, there is no n pi star transition 5-member in the 5-member ring and large S character। UV spectra the fuse ring रो UV spectra fuse ring रे कोन अछि fuse ring रे lambda maximum देछि fuse ring रे indole benzothiophene benzofuran purine lambda maximum। These are the UV spectral data of these compounds। Infrared spectra of the heterocyclic compound। Infrared spectra nu is equal to 1 by 2 pi c k by mu, where k होची गोटे force constant एगुडा देखिबा IR spectra रे already you have read k is the force constant and is related to the bond strength, mu is the reduced mass, mu is m1 m2 divided by m1 plus m2, m1 m2 are the masses of the two atoms involved in the bond formation, c is the velocity of light। So ring stretching frequency, benzene, these are the in the IR spectra data. Then these are the mono substituted benzene ring, pyridine and pyrimidine 1610 to 1600। These are the IR data। Aromatic CH saturated stretching frequency appear 3000 per centimeter। CH bending vibration observed 1300 to 1000 per centimeter। Then NMR spectra. NMR, you know that nuclear magnetic resonance spectra. New NMR, what is you have studied already classes delocalization of the pi electron in the aromatic compound results deshielding of the proton leading to the appearance of the signal in the low field 7.24 ppm for benzene in NMR spectra। Benzene NMR रे कोठी देखा है benzene benzene ର ଦେଖେଇବ if there is a benzene ring in your compound it shows NMR 7.24 ppm. When the what is NMR, you know that when the magnetic field is applied for recording NMR spectrum, the induced magnetic field due to ring current strengthen the applied field around the proton and resonate at high delta value. On other hand, the proton lying in the region at the low electron density appear at the field at the low delta value. So these are the, you can see the benzene, this is the 7.24, all are 7.24 in the NMR. NMR. Here the H2, H2 proton, here is this proton, H2 proton appear at 8.52 and H4 7.55. Why? The H2 proton, you can see here is nitrogen electron. Where if it is close to the nitrogen atom, so that is de-shielding actually 8.52 ppm. H4 टा नाइट्रोजन ठारू बहुत दूर रे अछि, so it is 7.55. H3 H5 proton absorb 7.16 which is highly upfield. These are the upfield. Downfield केवल 2 proton and 6 proton will be downfield because it is close to the nitrogen atom. With increase the number of nitrogen atom in the ring, the effect becomes stronger. 6-membered heterocyclic compound. So this is the NMR value of this compound. You can see nitrogen जोठी attach ହେଇची से proton गुड़ाक अधिका downfield it 8 point एगुड़ा सबु upfield माने 7 point रे रही. So here it is 9.26. These are the proton value, NMR value, NMR proton value. 5-membered रे एगुड़ा सब देखैची या value गुड़ाक सब. 5-membered heterocycle with the 2 heteroatom NH 7 point सब 7 point रे एडा सब रहिछि. जोटी सल्फर एठी अछि एटा 8.72 रहिछि. एठी सल्फर अछि 8.82. एटा डाउन फील्ड टिके रहिछि सल्फर जोगु, सल्फर और नाइट्रोजन एटम जोगु. So aromaticity and reactivity then we will study. Aromaticity, what is aromaticity of 5-membered, 6-membered heterocyclic compound can be judged by vicinal coupling constant. The ratio qualitatively correlated with the resonance energy. There is a linear relationship between the J value and REP. This relationship indicates resonance REP, what? Resonance energy per pi electron. This relationship indicates delocalization of the electron. The pyridine, the following resonance structure. This is the resonance structure of the pyridine. Here you can see the here double bond. In the resonance, double bond is here. The resonance structure. The nucleophilic attack at possible at the C2 position, nucleophilic attack and electrophilic attack possible at the C3 position in the pyridine. The C-N bond are shorter. The carbon-nitrogen bonds are shorter and a lone pair of electron make it basic. Lone pair electron, the pyrrole, it is the pyrrole 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Numbering is in this way. The lone pair electron make it basic. Hence, the nitrogen bears a partial positive charge where the carbon atom 2, 4, and 6 electron deficient. The position 3, 5 are neutral. 3 and 5 are neutral. Electron density at the ring carbon is less, so called the pi deficient. The S is the order of aromaticity. Thiophene is greater than aromaticity. Thiophene order of thiophene is greater than pyrrole is greater than furan. In case of the 5-membered heterocyclic compound, the bond localization are observed, and since different heteroatoms are ill-bound, no clear-cut inference can be drawn. Delocalization of the electron. Delocalization is lesser in the 5-membered ring. 5-membered ring, lesser in the 5-membered ring as compared to the 6-membered heterocycle. So delocalization of some electron is less in the 5-membered ring as compared to the 6-membered ring. Chemical behavior and reactivity. The reactivity of compound is reflected by difference in the energy between the ground state and the transition state. The electronic features also govern the reactivity towards different reagent, and selectivity for specific position of the ring are exhibited. So in this summary, actually in this unit 1, we learned that heterocyclic compound exhibit large variety of structure and biological activity. It can be both aromatic or non-aromatic. They can be named according to different systems of nomenclature. They have trivial names which are accepted by the IUPAC, and saturated nomenclature are like this. If it is 3-membered, 4-membered, 5-membered, and if it is saturated, the namings are like this, and if it is unsaturated, namings are like this. In this table you can see. So other things you learn in this unit: heterocyclic compounds exhibit characteristic spectral signal. UV, IR, and NMR spectra. Pi star transition depend upon the nature of the solvent used. However, the protonation in pi star transition is not observed as the lone pair of electron is not available, but protonation increases the intensity of the pi star bond. And the UV spectra of the bicyclic compounds, similar to naphthalene, are complex, and this spectra pi star n pi star transitions overlap. Here the pi star transition being stronger over the n pi star transition. The chemical shift value related to the electron density of the ring carbon to which hydrogen is attached. Hydrogen chemical shift value depends upon the where the hydrogen is attached to the ring. Heterocyclic systems can be regarded as pyrrole-like or pyridine-like. Heterocyclic compounds show interesting and important chemical reactions. So these are the questions, and solutions are also there. You can see. You will solve the problem. Nomenclature already, answers they have already given. So we'll go to the unit 2. Okay. Unit 2 are the 3-membered heterocycles. 3-membered, this is the aziridine, this is the oxirane, this is the thyrane. These are the 3-membered heterocyclic rings. This is aziridine, this is oxirane, this is thyrane. Synthesis of aziridine. You can see synthesis, it is the Gabriel method. Gabriel method, what is Gabriel? How aziridine is formed? You can see aziridine obtained by heating beta bromomethyl aniline. देखो beta bromomethyl aniline. This is NH2 जोटाको carbon लगी. This is alpha. This carbon is called beta. Beta bromo. Beta carbon ने bromine लगी. Beta bromoethylene amine. In the presence of KOH, you can see the nitrogen lone pair attack to the this carbon atom. This is like a SN2 type reaction. This attacks to the carbon and bromine, it leaves. Okay. In the presence of base, so it is it is 3-membered HBr KBr ହେଇକିରି ପଳେଇଲା. In the presence of the potassium hydroxide is a strong base, ଆଉ ethanol ହଉଛି ଗୋଟେ solvent. ଏଠି ହେଇଗଲା 3-membered ring ହେଇଗଲା aziridine ଆଉ KBr water ବାହାରିଗଲା. This reaction takes place by SN2 mechanism, and the halogen atom is displaced. Halogen atom displaced by the amino group in the intramolecular fashion. This is an intramolecular fashion. माने intra माने same molecule भितरे attack ହେଲା, ସେଥିପାଇଁ intramolecular same molecule भितरे reaction टाको ହେଲା in the presence of potassium hydroxide. So it is, you can get the aziridine from the bromomethyl amine. This is another method of aziridine formation, Wencker method. This method involves treatment of beta hydroxyamine with the sulfuric acid. Beta hydroxyamine sulfuric acid सहित then again base reaction हेले aziridine formation होची. Synthesis of tetra alkyl तीन tetra alkyl चारिटा alkyl group R group चारटा लगी आज सेटा aziridine देखला formation एटा होची चारिटा alkyl groups are attached in the aziridine ring. Aziridine ring you see that this alkene when treated with the nitrosochloride NOCl and methanol CH3OH it form nitrosochloride derivative dita double bond carbon carbon double bond रे गोटे लागला गोटे पटे NO लग गला गोटे पटे chlorine लग गला then tin chloride HCl the NO is converted to the nitroso compound converted to the chlorine in the presence of the HCl tin chloride chlorine and it is converted to NH2 and it is finally tetraalkyl aziridine is formed. तापरे Hassner synthesis. So three types of the method. There are many methods of preparation of the aziridine. Substituted aziridines are there. You can see Hassner synthesis is there. Hassner synthesis. This is the alkene. Alkene. It is when it is the iodine reaction. Iodine reaction. Iodinium ion is formed. It is iodoisocyanate. It in N lone pair. It attacks to the this carbon. Then this bond moves. Finally, you got the substituted aziridine. Here also you can see when the aziridine you can form from the oxygen. This is the oxygen 3-membered ring with oxygen atom oxygen. Oxygen when treated with the ammonia, you get ammonia and nitrogen lone pair. It will attack to one carbon. Then this bond breaks. So it forms the bond breaking happen. Beta amino alcohol is formed. Then bromine triphenyl phosphine. This aziridine compound is formed. From alpha amino acid also aziridine is formed. This is S-valine when it treated with the boron compound. Boron compound it is converted. This acid group is converted to the alcohol. It reduced to the alcohol. Acid group is reduced to alcohol in the presence of the boron. Then bromination. Bromine PPS3. Bromination you get the substituted aziridine. So there are variety of methods are there the formation of the aziridine. Then you learn how aziridines are formed. Now reactions of the aziridine. Aziridine ring opening reaction followed by attack of the nucleophile. Ring opening reaction, the breaking of the C-N bond in aziridine to relieve the ring strain leads to the following structure. So aziridine reaction, C-N bond breaks because 3-membered rings are the very strained molecule. So after when a nucleophile attack, the 3-membered ring breaks, C-N bond breaks. The nucleophile then attack to the resulting positively charged carbon atom. The nucleophile attack to this and this bond breaks. Finally, it is formed. Ring opening reaction involving electrophile. In the electrophile ring opening reactions, when the aziridine treated with the acetyl chloride CH3CO plus, this is the electrophile acetyl chloride electrophile rakoda CH3CO plus Cl minus. So CH3CO plus it attacks to the nitrogen atom. Electrophile addition attack involves the electrophile CH3CO plus followed by the ring opening and attack of the chloride ion to give the product. Reactions are catalyzed by acids. This mechanism, its mechanism is already there. So electrocyclic ring opening reactions, electrocyclic ring, you can see the nitrogen lone pair, it attacks here, this bond, and then this bond carbon, this electron goes to here. So nitrogen got positive charge because lone pair moves, and this carbon got the negative charge because this bond moves, bond electron moves to this place. Then fragmentation reactions. Reactions with the carbon disulfide when the oxygen treated with the carbon disulfide C double bond A, C double bond base, it is called thiazolene. It's a Friedel-Crafts type of reactions. You can see anhydrous aluminum chloride, oxygen when treated with the benzene in the presence of the anhydrous aluminum chloride, it will give you benzene ray CH2 CH2 NH2. This bond breaks and CH2 CH2 NH2. It's substituted. Benzene रे substituted ହେଇଗଲା ଏଟା beta phenyl ethylamine it form. You can see this is the aziridine when it is treated with the methyl iodide and a base ଯେତେବେଳେ base butyl lithium is a strong base ରେ ଯେତେବେଳେ reaction କରିବ it takes the proton from here and methyl ଏଠି ଲାଗିଗଲା ଏଠି proton ଟାକୁ ନେଇଗଲା base ଏଠି methyl ଟା ଆସିକି substituted ହେଇଗଲା. This is the oxygen, the simplest member of this class. You must have studied about cyclic ether in your earlier classes. This is the cyclic ether compound, oxygen. This is called cyclic ether also. These are the cyclic ethers, 6-member ring, different kind of 2-methyl oxygen. 2 position ଗୋଟେ ମିଥାଇଲ ଲାଗିଛି 2 ମିଥାଇଲ ଅକ୍ସିଜେନ ଏଠି ଦିଟା ଯାକ ପୋଜିସନ ରେ ମିଥାଇଲ ଲାଗିଛି 2,3 ଡାଇମିଥାଇଲ ଅକ୍ସିଜେନ ଏଥିଲିନ ଅକ୍ସାଇଡ ପ୍ରୋପିଲିନ ଅକ୍ସାଇଡ ସିନ୍ଥେସିସ୍ ଅଫ ଅକ୍ସିଜେନ ସିନ୍ଥେସିସ୍ କେମିତି ହଉଛି ଅକ୍ସିଜେନ ସେଟା ଦେଖିବ ଅକ୍ସିଜେନ ସିନ୍ଥେସିସ୍ ସେଠି ଆଜିରିଡିନ ସିନ୍ଥେସିସ୍ ପଢିଲ ଆଜିରିଡିନ ରେ ନାଇଟ୍ରୋଜେନ ଥିଲା ଏଠି ଅକ୍ସିଜେନ ରେ ଅକ୍ସିଜେନ ଅଛି. Oxygen can be synthesized using following methods: epoxidation of alkene from vicinal halohydrins, from Dargins reactions, epoxidation of the alkene. First पढ़िबा epoxidation of alkene. Because this is an alkene. Alkene when treated with the MCPBA, metachloroporbenzoic acid, metachloroporbenzoic acid, it gives you epoxide. Epoxide can be formed same compounds. It can be formed this way or this way. When alkene treated with the metachloroporbenzoic acid, it will give you oxygen compounds. This is the alkene. This is the mechanism given here. This is alkene. This is metachloroporbenzoic acid. It epoxide is forming already. It is mechanism given here. Alkene, hydrogen, if you put hydrogen peroxide also, it will give you oxygen. Alkaline hydrogen peroxide. Cis, this is cis-butene, this is trans-butene. So all cis-butene, trans-butene reacts with the alkaline hydrogen peroxide to give you oxygen. Cis-butene, tertiary butyl hydroperoxide. Tertiary butyl hydroperoxide also, it will give you oxygen. From vicinal halohydrins, it is also, it's when it treated with the base, it's a like SN2 type reactions, it will give you oxygen. Halohydrin. Halohydrin means halogen atom is there here. X is halogen, OH halogen, and OH when it is there, it is called halohydrin. From Dargin reaction. Dargin reaction, the reaction is known as Dargin glacidic ester synthesis or Dargin's condensation when ketone and alpha beta epoxy ester treated with the sodium methoxide. It is already mechanism is there. You can see sodium methoxide is a strong base, OC2H5 minus Na plus. Okay, so OC2H5 attacks to the this, it takes the proton of this compound, this bond, this CH electron, it comes here, and this when it comes here, the CO bond breaks. then it is formed. Then finally, when it treated with the ketone, it is finally the epoxide is formed. Reactions of the oxygen ring opening. It's a ring opening reactions with the nucleophile. Oxygen ring, when it is a nucleophile CN minus, it is a nucleophile. When nucleophile attacks, it forms alkoxide ion. Step 2, it reacts with water, it forms a cyanohydrin. Nucleophile can be OH minus, OR minus, RLI. These are the nucleophiles. These are also like the nucleophile attack, similar reaction. These are the oxygen reaction. You can see it is breaking. Then carbon got a positive charge, oxygen got a negative charge. When this is attacked, nucleophile would attack to the this carbon, nucleophile attack here, and water, it takes what proton from the water, it converted to the OH. When it treated with the oxygen treated with the HBr, it forms this compound. HBr, oxygen lone pair attack HBr, it takes proton. O plus O got the positive charge because lone pair attack, so oxygen got a positive charge, and Br removes. Then again this Br, it attack like SN2 reaction type, then it forms this compound. So then synthesis and reaction of the thyrene. आमे ऑक्सीजन पढ़िले, आजिरिडिन पढ़िले, ऑक्सीजन पढ़िले, वर्तमान आसीबा थायरेन कंपाउंड. Synthesis of the thyrene माने thyrene means sulfur groups are present. Sulfur. Sulfur groups are present. When oxygen treated with the synthesis oxygen by reaction of the thiourea, thiamide, thiocyanate ion, etc. The reaction with the thiocyanate ion can be represented as follows. Thiocyanate, when it treated with the thiocyanate, the three-membered ring breaks. This converted to O minus. Then HCN group attached here. CH2 HCN. Then again it attacked to the CN, the triple bond moves here, then cyclic intermediate is formed, finally thyrene is formed, sulfur, the three-membered ring, thyrene substituted product is formed. This is thiourea. When it is treated with the, when oxygen treated with the thiourea, thyrene is formed. From the alkene also thyrene is forming. Alkene S2Cl2 when treated with the S2Cl2, the alpha chloro beta sulfide is formed. Then disodium sulfide, it forms the thyrene compound. From the thiocarbonyl compound and sulfuryl, thiocarbonyl from the dimethyl sulfoxide also, it is forming the thyrene compound. Already mechanism, all the mechanisms are they have given here. From the cyclic carbonate, from this cyclic carbonate when treated with the this S minus CN thiocyanate, it is also forming the thyrene ring. Then reactions of the thyrene. Reaction when the nuclear ring opening by the nucleophile, when the nucleophile attack, the ring opens and this is formed. Finally, it reacts with the proton, this compound is formed. Reacts with ammonia. When it reacts with ammonia lone pair of the nitrogen, it attacks here, this bond breaks, it forms this compound. When lithium aluminum hydride, when this compound react with the lithium aluminum hydride, it is just reducing agent. Lithium aluminum hydride is the reducing agent. It from the ethane thiol. The bond breaks and it formed SHCH2CH3. It's already there. When nucleophile is there, this bond breaks and carbocation intermediate, then it reacts with the proton, this bond is formed. A ring opening by the electrophile when it treated with the HCl, sulfur lone pair. It attacks to the proton, then HCl bond breaks. As the sulfur atom got the positive charge, this is formed, and acetyl chloride reactions also a thioester is formed. Ethanoic anhydride, also this compound is formed. Desulfurization when tertiary phosphines or phosphines to yield the alkene. When this phosphorus compound it attack to the sulfur atom, then this bond breaks, it forms the alkane transalkane. So these are all reactions of the thiene compounds. Oxidation reaction when sodium periodate oxidize sodium periodate it from the sulfoxides. When thiene compounds sodium periodate it form ethylene sulfoxide. Preparation and reaction of the aziridine. Then preparation of azirines. Azirines it from vinyl azide. Vinyl azide, it can be vinyl azide in the presence of alkene. When it is brominated in double bond, it is the two side of the carbon atom bromine attached. Alkene when treated with the bromination happened. Then sodium azide, the bromine is converted to the N3. Then sodium hydroxide, it is alkene is formed, vinyl azide is formed. Ring contraction of the isoxyl. Ring contraction reaction is forming when treated with the rhodium catalyst. The three-membered ring is formed. The five-membered ring ring contraction happen to the three-membered ring. Aziridine. 3,5-disubstituted isoxyl will also provide 2H aziridine on photolysis. This is the photolysis reaction. Oxidative cyclization of the enamine, oxidative cyclization of the azirines are forming. The reactions of the azirine. Azirine, when treated with the lithium aluminum hydride, the double bond reduced. There is no double bond here. This is the reducing agent, just reduces the double bond. With Grignard reagent, the nucleophilic attack at the RMG Grignard reagent minus 70 degrees centigrade. It R group it attached here. Grignard reagent R group ta jeki ethi lagi jayise. So when it is azirine treated with this compound, benzyl nitrile in the presence of DMSO, it forms this 5-membered compound. The ring extension, 3-membered converted to the 5-membered ring. When the benzylamine, when treated with this 3-membered ring, when treated with the benzylamine, the ring breaks, it forms the alkene compound. Thermal cleavage also. Thermal cleavage reaction, it forms these compounds. Cycloaddition reaction also, it reacts a cycloaddition reaction, it forms this compound. Azirine when treated with this 5-membered compound. All the mechanisms are here, it is forming. So in this summary, synthesis of aziridine can be done by intramolecular cyclization reactions and cycloaddition reaction. A ring opening of the aziridine relieves the ring strain. These ring opening reactions involve nucleophile, electrophile, electrocyclic also. Besides these reactions, the other reactions exhibited by aziridines are Fradel-Crafts reactions, fragmentation reactions, and reactions with the carbon disulfide. Oxidants synthesized by epoxidation of alkene. Oxidants can undergo ring opening reactions with nucleophiles. Thiorenes can be synthesized from the oxidant. The important reactions of the thiorenes are ring opening reactions by nucleophiles and electrophiles. Azirenes can be synthesized by using vinyl azides, ring contraction of isoxyls, and oxidation of cyclization of the enamines. So aziridines can undergo nucleophilic reactions. They also exhibit thermal cleavage. Aziridines show cycloaddition reactions and photolytic cleavage also. So all about aziridine, oxirane, we taught. So these are the question answer. Answers are already there. So it will help. It will be very helpful to you. Answers are already there. So coming to the unit 3, 4-membered. Until now, we have read the 3-membered ring. So it is coming to the 4-membered heterocycles. 4-membered heterocycle synthesis reactions of the azetidines. Azetidines. 4-membered. This is the azetidine. 4-membered. It is NH group is there. Azetidines. Azetidines. Azetidine synthesis starts. Azetidines can be synthesized by azetidine can be synthesized by following methods. The common methods for synthesis of azetidines are cyclization of the beta amino alcohol, gamma amino halides, beta amino allenes, reactions of the 1,3 dialoprophiles with amines, metal catalyzed cyclizations, substituted aziridine and sulfurylide on reaction in benzene at room temperature yield azetidine. This is azetidines are formed from the aziridine. Using intramolecular cyclization also. Intramolecular cyclization gamma halo alkyl amine. You can see alpha, beta, gamma. Gamma position bromine group is attached. So gamma halo. Halogen group is attached to the gamma carbon. Gamma halo alkyl amines in the presence of gamma halo alkyl amines in the presence of base yield azetidine. You can see the nitrogen lone pair attack to this carbon and this carbon bromine bond breaks in the presence of a base. So it is NH azetidine, 4-membered azetidine is on bromine minus plus water. Intramolecular cyclization involves nucleophile. This is called intramolecular cyclization. Intramolecular cyclization involves displacement a suitable lipid group from the gamma position. This is because due to the ring strain, this bond breaks due to the probability of two ends of the chain coming closer for the reactions. You can see here also, this is same example. In the presence of base, some sound is coming. Please mute. The gamma amino alcohol sulfate esters are formed. From the gamma amino alcohol also this 4-membered ring is forming. From isoxalins. This from the ring opening of the isoxalins involves the cleavage of the NO bond. You can see the cleavage in the presence of the sodium and N-pentanol. The nitrogen and oxygen bond breaks. The tosylation of the product, the amino alcohol, it breaks. So it is forming the NH2 and OH group it attached here. Then tosyl chloride you can see the protection of the amino group tosyl chloride, the TS group attached to the amine group in the presence of a base pyridine and OH also converted in the presence of tosyl chloride TSCl, OH group converted to the TS, OTS, NH group also converted to the NHTS. This is NHTS, this is OTS. Then the nitrogen lone pair attached to this carbon atom. Then OTS is a good leaving group and OTS group removes. So this four-membered ring is formed in the presence of sodium pentanol. Thus, finally, substituted argetidine is formed. It is from gamma lactone also it is formed. Gamma lactone, gamma lactone in the bromine in the presence of phosphorus tribromide. It is forming this four-membered ring argetidine is formed. The reaction of the argetidine. Please, please mute. Jyotirmai, Jyotirmai, please mute. It's Jyotirmai, please mute. Its sound actually sound is coming. Okay, as bases and nucleophiles, when the azetidines are reacted with the acid chloride, it forms NCOR. You can see the substituted, it's like the Fradel type of reactions. It forms NCOR, R group attached here in it attached to the nitrogen atom. Here also sulfuryl chloride, you can see SO2R is attached to the nitrogen. Ring opening reaction when it treated with the azetidine, four-membered attached to the NH, it is azetidine. Azetidine group is when treated with the hydrogen peroxide, the cleavage occurs, leads to the acrolein compound, acrolein and ammonia. Azetidine treated with the HCl also, it breaks to the this amine compound. Reactions with the carbon disulfide, you can see azetidine, when these are the reactions of the azetidine with the carbon disulfide, nitrous oxide, formaldehyde. So these compounds are formed with the azetidine, some reactions of the azetidine. In rearrangement reactions also there. Azetidine, this is similar to three-membered ring. Azetidine also undergo rearrangement reaction because it gives relief from the strain. These four-membered rings are very strained, so in the presence of the nucleophile acidic medium, basic medium, it breaks actually. The ring breaks to it gives some rearrangement product. Relief, it gives relief from the strain by opening of the ring, but here the condition required much severe. HCl 10 days. It is acid in the presence of acid. It takes 10 days to break the four-membered ring converted to this six-membered and rearranges to this type of ring. Synthesis and reactions of the oxidants. So synthesis oxidant tapare padhiba oxidant au tar reactions. What are the reactions of the oxidant? Oxidant is a four-membered heterocyclic compound containing oxygen atom. This is the called oxidant. This is a four-membered atom. Oxidant used in synthesis of the disperlure, which is a gypsum. These are some biological. This compound involves in the taxol. Some organic compounds having oxidant ring along with their biological activities are shown below. These biological compounds having the oxidant ring. You can see here the four-membered with oxygen oxidant rings. These are anti-tumor nucleoside, antimicrobial, cytotoxic, and antidepressant. These are the some biological compound. It contains oxidant molecules. Then see how it is synthesis, and how you can synthesize the oxidants by intramolecular cyclization. 1,3 halohydrin, 1 1,3 halohydrin can be cyclized in the presence of a base. In the presence of base take this proton from this OH, base take this proton, then this oxygen minus, it attacks to the carbon atom, then the carbon bromine halogen bond breaks, it forms the oxidant. Acetylation, the rate of reaction is slow but can be increased if acetylation is done before cyclization. Acetylation, first OH group, it is acetylated to the COCH3, then in the presence of base, it gives the oxidant. You can see this compound cyclization in the presence of potassium hydroxide and ether. This oxygen atom, it attacks to this carbon, and this carbon halogen bond breaks. So it is formed a four-membered ring here. Here also same thing, this four membered in the presence of potassium hydroxide, there is a four membered ring is forms here. It only 10% yield. If the alkyl group is present at the carbon bearing the halogen atom, then the cyclization takes place with difficulty and very poor yield. You can see this compound, this OH proton, it attacks here, then OTS tosyl group. This is the OTS is tosyl group. This is a good leaving group. When oxygen lone pair attack to this carbon, the OTS group leaves, and this is formed. A oxygen ring is formed here. So different how it is forming different substrate. It is forming oxygen rings are forming by methylene insertion reactions. When this epoxide, when dimethyl sulfoxide, it is from the oxygen ring also. By photochemical cycloaddition reaction, it is oxygen. Patten-Noguchi reaction, it is also important. Patten-Noguchi reactions also. This is a photochemical reaction when the this ketone and this alkene, it gives the this is called Patten-Noguchi. This is formed the oxygen ring is formed. These two compound oxygen and this alkene compound oxygen ring is formed. The mechanism is given. This is a photochemical reactions. Reactions of the oxygen. When the reaction nucleophilic ring opening reactions, when the nucleophiles attacks to the oxygen, the ring opening of oxygen requires more vigorous conditions. When methylamine treated with the methylamine at 150 degrees centigrade, this bond breaks and it forms this compound. Oxygen thiophenol. Thiophenol also treated with 10% sodium hydroxide, this compound is formed. When oxygen treated with the naphthol, it formed 10% sodium hydroxide, so this compound is formed. When Grignard reagent also, when oxygen reacts with the Grignard reagent, lengthening of the carbon chain, if this compound is formed by 3 carbon, 1, 2, 3, another 6, 6, it's 5 is attached here. This bond breaks, it forms so CH2, CH2, C6H5, CH2, CH2, CH2H. So how it is treated when it reacts with the nucleophile? When it attacked by the electrophile, when such ring opening reactions are very useful in synthesis of other organic compounds. The reactivity of oxygens are similar to those of the oxygens. Some ring opening reactions are here. When the ethanol, when it treated with the ethanol in the presence of acid, it forms OH plus, then this bond breaks, then this bond, when this bond breaks, the carbon got a positive charge, then ethanol CH2O, CH2, CH3 minus, H plus, ethanol, H plus, OET minus. This OET minus group nucleophile, it attack to this carbon and this compound is formed. Photochemical reactions. This compound, this is photochemical reaction, this double bond breaks, it forms, undergo photochemical reactions, these two electrons, this carbon, then the diradicals are formed, and finally these four membered rings are formed. Synthesis reactions of thioetine. Thioetine molecule, some biologically active molecule, antidepressant, antihypertensive agent. These are some biologically active molecule, and thioetine compound, thioetine molecule is there in those biological active molecules. The thioetine molecule, you can see SO, there is a four membered ring, sulfur SO group are there, thioetine compound is there. Pesticide, this is one biological active molecule, this is sweetener, this is also thioetine compounds are present in many biologically active molecules. Then synthesis, how thioetine is formed. Thioetine is formed from 1,3-dihaloalkanes. 1,3-dihaloalkanes yield thioetenes on reaction with the sodium or potassium sodium sulfide or potassium sulfide, it form thioetine is formed. Thietine is formed from chloromethylene and from this compound when treated with the OH minus, the thietine is formed by decomposition of the cyclic carbonate also. This is a cyclic carbonate treated nucleophilic substitution reaction with the thiocyanate, the thietine is formed. Reactions of the thietine, then nucleophilic substitution, electrophilic ring opening reactions happens. You can see in the thietine on heating, just heating, the bond breaks. It formed ethane and thioformaldehyde is formed. If you heat the thietine, the ring breaks and it forms ethene and thioformaldehyde. Reactions with ammonia. When it treated with ammonia at 200 degrees centigrade, this rings breaks and ammonia NH2 N nitrogen this attacks to this carbon and this bond breaks. So CH2 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 SH एपटे NH2 लगला गोटे कार्बन ने NH2 लगला गोटे पटे SH हे गला. Reactions with the halogen. When it halogen also this bond breaks, this is forming. Reactions of the ethonyl chloride. So these are all the reactions of the thietine compounds. Reactions with the acetyl chloride. When acetyl chloride, this compound is forming in the presence of the tannic chloride. Reactions with the alkyl iodide. When this alkyl iodide quaternary titanium salt is first formed, then this compound is formed. Reactions with the allyl bromide. This is allyl bromide. When it reacts with allyl bromide, cleavage of the thietine rings, it forms this compound. Then decomposition with aluminum oxide. Aluminum oxide decomposition, tetradihydrothiophene is formed. Reaction to nickel, this compound is formed. Oxidation with the hydrogen peroxide, thietine can be oxidized first to the sulfoxide and then sulfones by action with the hydrogen peroxides. Hydrogen peroxide sulfones are formed. Photochemical reaction, photolysis of the thietine, alkene and this CH2S, this is formed. So these are all in the summary. The synthesis ame पढ़िले ए यूनिट रे synthesis of aziridine, synthesis using intramolecular cyclization, synthesis from isoxylenes as starting materials, synthesis from gamma lactones. Oxytens can be synthesized by intramolecular cyclization, methylene insertions, photochemical cycloaddition reactions. The important reactions of oxytene including ring opening reactions which can be executed using nucleophiles and electrophiles. Oxytene exhibit photochemical reactions also. Thietine can be synthesized from 1,3-dihaloalkanes, from chloromethyl thyrene, decomposition of cyclic carbonates. Thietines undergo a variety of reactions. They get cleaved on heating to give alkenes. With ammonia, they form 3-aminopropanethiol. They undergo reactions with the halogen, alkyl halides, ethanoyl chloride. They decompose over aluminum trioxide heating to give alkenes. The reactions with the Rene-nickel gives disulfurized products. They also undergo oxidation and exhibit photochemical reactions. So these are all questions are there. You try to solve this and also answers are there. So answers are there. So it will not difficult for you. So you have to practice all these problems. How the thiatine, oxygen are forming and their reactions with the how it is reacts with the nucleophiles, electrophiles. So all answers are there. So it will help you. In the unit 4, we'll study the 5-member. So until now, we study the 3-member ring, then 4-member ring. So this is the last unit. It is 5-member heterocycles with the 2 heteroatoms in the rings. It is the pyrazole ring synthesis reactions of the pyrazole. You can see pyrazole, there are 2 nitrogen atoms are there in the 5-member ring. Pyrazoles are important 5-member heterocycles. Pyrazole has the following structure. This is the pyrazole ring. These are the substituted pyrazoles of important biological activity. Pyrazole nucleus is present in many drugs. Pyrazole nucleus. You can see here is a pyrazole, here is a pyrazole. It is the anti-inflammatory drug. This is one. It is also anti-inflammatory drug. Pyrazole unit is there. Here you can see antidepressant, phezolamine. Here one pyrazole ring is there. Diphenamizole, analgesic. It is an analgesic. Pyrazole ring is there. So pyrazole ring is very important and it is many active biological molecules. It is biologically active molecules. It is there. So how it is synthesized? How you can synthesize the pyrazole rings? Pyrazole rings can be formed from 1,3-dicarbonyl compounds and hydrogens and its derivatives. You can RNHNH2 hydrogen and a 1,3-dicarbonyl compound. When these two compound you mix, you will get a pyrazine ring. When another is 1,3-dicarbonyl compound treated with the this hydrogen compound. In addition, following alpha beta unsaturated carbonyl compounds can be used. Alpha beta unsaturated carbonyl compounds can be used. You can see alpha beta ethylenic ketone, alpha beta. This is a ketone, this alpha beta position, alpha, this is beta. The double bond is there when it treated with the hydrogen derivative. This compound is formed. On oxidation, it is formed, the double bond is there. Pyrazine is formed. Using 1,3-dipolar cycloaddition reaction. This is 1,3-dipolar cycloaddition reaction, diphenyl nitrilamine. This is and this is pyrazole ring is formed. This is also phenyl acetylene, ethyl alpha diisoacetate, pyrazole ring is formed. Then the reactions of pyrazole. Pyrazole, when treated with the butyl lithium is a strong base. When treated with the strong base, it takes the proton from the NH proton, it takes proton and lithium is attached here. When it is treated with the this bromide, then this lithium bromide polela, it is CH2, CH double bond CH2, it is substituted here. The alkylation reactions of pyrazole yields N-alkyl products. When it treated with the methyl iodide, it forms the iodide, the methyl group is attached to the nitrogen atom. Alkylation happens at the nitrogen atom where the NH proton, NH is there. If it is excess methyl iodide, it also, this nitrogen atom also, it will be attached. If excess. You can see here, this pyrazole ring, when treated with the alkaline KMnO4 potassium permanganate, the methyl group converted to the acid group. This is, you can see KBH4. This complex is forming pyrazole ring when treated with the potassium borohydride. You can see pyrazole when bromination 1, 2, 3, 4 position bromination. C4 position is rich in electron density. Carbon 4 position rich in electron density. Electrophilic substitution reaction can be 4 substituted pyrazole. Alkaline KMnO4 potassium permanganate methyl group is oxidized to the acid group. The strong base, when pyrazole treated with a strong base, it takes the proton. Then dibenzoyl peroxide, oxidizing agent, peroxide, hydrogen peroxide, dibenzoyl peroxide, it converted to the OH is attached here. When it's sodium, pyrazole relatively stable cationic and chemical reduction with the sodium metal ethanol. Sodium metal ethanol reduction hele double bond is removing here, it is NH, double bond gone here, sodium ethanol. Pyrazole when treated with the hydrogen and palladium catalyst, this is also a reducing, the double bond gone here, the double bond is reduced here. When another palladium, again 80 degrees centigrade high temperature, this is 20 degree, one double bond is gone. again 80 degrees centigrade, another double bond is gone. So totally reduced. Palladium, hydrogen, pyrazole, double bond, two double bonds are reduced. Synthesis and reactions of imidazole. This is imidazole. This is 1,3-diazole imidazole. Imidazole ring present as a unit of histidine, purine, histamine, etc. This is the histidine, this is purine, these are the nucleosides. The nucleosides imidazole rings are present. Imidazole derivatives show a wide range of biological activities such as antibacterial, antimicrobial, anti-diabetic, anti-tumor, anti-allergic, antiviral. Several drugs also contains the moiety of their structures. Synthesis of imidazole. How imidazole is synthesized? Imidazole can be synthesized from glyoxal, ammonia, formaldehyde. It forms imidazole. McQueen synthesis. McQueen synthesis. What is McQueen synthesis? Dinitrotartaric acid. It action of ammonia and mixture of formaldehyde, dinitrotartaric acid for the decarboxylation product is imidazole is formed. Brederich reaction. Alpha hydroxyketone, alpha haloketone heated with the formamide. This is formamide. Then elimination of the water. It forms the imidazole. From the reaction of the alpha haloketone also with amidine, imidazole is formed. Marquardt synthesis. Marquardt synthesis alpha aminoketone. Alpha, this is alpha position amine group is there. Alpha aminoketone or aldehyde treated with the potassium thiocyanate. Potassium thiocyanate reacts to give the 2-mercaptoimidazole. Imidazole is formed. Dehydrogenation of the imidazole. Imidazoles are obtained from condensation of the alkyl nitrile. Alkyl, this is the alkyl nitrile, RC triple bond N and 1,2-ethylene diamine. This is 1,2-ethylene diamine and alkyl nitrile. It is from the imidazole. From oxazole also. If you give ammonia in the presence of amine, it gives imidazole. This also amidine reacts from acyloins. Removal of the water, it forms the imidazole. This is the Wallach synthesis, phosphorus oxychloride. This is NN disubstituted oxamide. This is imidazole is formed. From bromoethanol ethylene acetal also. This one and ammonia. This is imidazole. So there are so many synthetic methods of the imidazole rings. You have to remember all these things and you have to practice it. Then properties. What is the property of the imidazole? These are the tautomeric. Imidazole can exist in the two equivalent tautomeric form. This is the imidazole. These are the two tautomeric form. Proton can be either on the nitrogen, proton can be this nitrogen atom or in the that nitrogen resonance structure of this. When we consider the unsymmetrically substituted imidazole, it becomes more clear and 4-methyl imidazole. Hydrogen, this is the hydrogen bonding is present in the imidazole. The imine nitrogen atom donate a pair of electron on the hydrogen on other N accept it. Hydrogen bonding so obtained. These are the hydrogen bonding. These are the imidazole atom and hydrogen bonding. You can see this nitrogen atom, this imidazole NH. H is bonding with the nitrogen. Again, it is bonding. So these are the hydrogen bonding of the imidazoles. Acidic and basic properties. The protonation, this is the imidazole and the protonation of the N3 of imidazole giving imidazolium ion. Removal of the proton, if the one proton in the presence of sodium hydride, proton is removed by strong base. Strong base, if you put the strong base, the proton can be removed and it will give you the ion. Reactions of bromination, imidazole bromination, it will form 2,4,5 tribromoimidazole. 2, 4, 2, 5, 6. All these position bromine will be attached. Iodination, 2, 4, 5 triiodoimidazole. 2, 4, 5 tribromoimidazole. Electrophilic substitution reaction in nitration reaction, nitric acid, sulfuric acid. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 nitroimidazole is formed. Sulfuric acid also, imidazole sulfonic acid is formed. 4. In the 4 position it is attached. 1, 2, 3, 4 position it is attached. Nitration can be further extended to obtain the product as shown below. This is the nitration reactions. Sulfuric acid, the nitration again nitration. N alkylation and N acylation. In the methyl iodide KOH, methyl in the presence of strong base can be taken. Base takes this proton, nitrogen proton, then methyl iodide, the methyl will be substituted in the nitrogen atom. 1 methyl imidazole. This imidazole treated on heating, it means 2 methyl imidazole. Coupling reaction. Coupling reaction, you can see the diazonium chloride, benzene diazonium chloride. Benzene diazonium chloride attached at the 2 position of the imidazole. Oxidation product, hydrogen peroxide. When hydrogen peroxide, it gives oxamide. For benzoic acid, the following reactions form. Ring opening reaction. Ring opens reactions of benzoyl chloride in the presence of sodium hydroxide. Cycloaddition reaction. These are the cycloaddition reactions. Synthesis reaction of the oxazole. Then oxazole ring. Oxazole, its name is oxazole because oxygen and nitrogen both compounds are there. These are the oxazole compounds present at the various compounds. Oxazole rings are formed. In the bacteria, gram-positive bacteria, oxazole compounds is formed. Antidepressant molecule, oxazole molecule is present. Synthesis. So say Robinson-Graviel synthesis. Alpha acyl aminoketone in presence of H plus, it forms oxazole compound. The removal of the water, this is called oxazole. The mechanism is given here. The proton attacks to the oxygen, then protonation occurs. Then it forms the oxazole finally. You can see the mechanism is given. From the alpha haloketone and arylamines, alpha haloketone, arylamine, it forms this compound, then iodine and potassium carbonate. This double bond is here. Then finally oxazole ring is forming here. Fischer-Oxazole synthesis, cyanohydrin. This is the cyanohydrin and this is the benzaldehyde reacted together in the presence of anhydrous HCl. Oxazole ring is formed. The mechanism is as follows. This nitrogen will pair attack to this carbon, this bond, this double bond, carbon oxygen bond breaks and it forms this OH and finally the oxazole ring is formed. Using Van Lausen reactions, this is also tosylated. This tosylated methyl isocyanide on reactions with the aldehydes, presence of base, it formed the oxazole ring. Reactions with the isocyanide and acid chloride. Isocyanides on treated with the butyl lithium, it formed alpha metallated isocyanide. See, it takes butyl lithium is a strong base. It takes one proton. The CH minus lithium plus is formed. Then acetyl chloride. It forms the acetyl chloride group. It attached here. Finally, oxazole ring is formed here. Reactions of alpha hydroxy aminocarbonyl compound. Oxazole ring is formed. This alpha aminocarbonyl compounds in the presence of acetic acid reflux, it forms oxazole compound. Reactions of oxazoles. Oxazole when treated with the concentrated HCl, it forms oxazole hydrochloride. Concentrated HCl, it forms oxazole hydrochloride. N-alkylation. When it treated with the ethyl bromide, it forms a quaternary salt. N jagare lagala C2H5, it's CH2 CH3, C2H5, it's bromide minus. Electrophilic substitution NBS. NBS is what? N-bromosuccinamide. The bromination reaction. When NBS reacted with the 5 position bromine attached here. Electron donating group activates this ring. Nucleophilic substitution reaction. When oxazole itself does not undergo nucleophilic reaction, if electron withdrawing, it itself does not undergo nucleophilic reaction. If there is a electron withdrawing group like chlorine group is attached, nucleophilic attack at the C to facilitate the reactions. Nucleophilic substitution oxazole is methylamine. It forms this compound substitution product. Oxidation. This is the oxidation product of the oxazole oxidation. It forms the benzoic acid. Various oxidizing agent KMnO4, H2CrO4, O3 clips the oxazole ring to the benzoic acid. Hydrogen peroxide, acetic acid, it forms the N oxide. Reduction, sodium ethanol, the double bond reduced. It is NH, double bonds are reduced. Diels-Alder reaction. Diels-Alder reaction is 4 plus 2 cycloaddition reaction. This is double bond. This is 4 electrons are there. This is 2 electrons are there. So 4 plus 2 cycloaddition reactions. This is Diels-Alder reactions. This is also Diels-Alder reactions. Then isothiazole. Methods of isothiazole means one nitrogen thiol group is sulfur and nitrogen is both are present. Methods of preparation: 5-amino-1,2-benzothiazole when treated with the potassium permanganate. It forms this compound, then on heating, the carbon dioxide removes, it forms the isothiazole. This is also another method of isothiazole from the cyclization in the presence of the iodine and potassium carbonate. From compounds containing this compound also, from this compound 1,3-diene compound, when heating with the sulfur, this compound is isothiazole is formed. Using cycloaddition reactions, thiazole is formed. By condensation, cyclization of the propene derivative, methane propene, this is propene and this is this compound 1,3,5 triazine, this compound also isothiazole is forming. Furan derivative, this furan derivative and this compound also, it is thiazole is forming. 2,5-disubstituted thiophene, diphenyl thiophene, from these compounds, again this compound thiazole is forming. Reactions between the above starting metal gives protect thioxime intermediate thiazole and benzosodium hydrogen. This compound also, it is thiazole is forming. Cyclization reaction using the ANS bond. You can see in this compound when treated with the iodine is attached to the sulfur. This nitrogen lone pair attacked to the sulfur. This iodine is a good leaping group. It gone. Then thiazole is forming. Reactions of the thiazolene. The thiazolene, when treated with the nitric acid, sulfuric acid, nitro group attached to the 1, 2, 3, 4 position. 4 position nitro group attached. Sulfuric group also 4 position it is attached. This compound, when treated with the POBr3, the OH is converted to the bromine. When it is iodine reacts with the iodine is attached here, and this compound is formed. These are the reactions of the thiazolene compounds. These are the nucleophilic substitution reactions. Then the fused ring. Again, you will see the last, finally, it is the fused ring analog. Fused ring means 2 oxazole rings, isothiazole. These are the fused ring. 6-membered, 5-membered, 6-membered, 5-membered. These are the fuse ring systems. Indazole. These are the present in the variety of the alkaloids. Alkaloids, how it is forming? Diazotization followed by from this compound, it is forming diazotization happens here. Sodium. Then, in the presence of the chloroform room temperature potassium acetate, indazole is formed. Indazole is formed from this compound also. Sodium nitrite HCl water. Indazole is formed. One bond synthesis of two haloacetophenols also it is indazole is formed. Some other methods. There are variety of methods where indazoles are formed. 2H indazole can be synthesized using the Davis-Beirut reaction. Davis-Beirut reaction. This reaction treated with alcohol, potassium hydroxide, it is forming. Ortho-substituted aldehyde on reaction with different reagent give the indazole. Treated with the amine, sodium azide, TMAD, DMSO, it is from the indazole. Then benzoxazole, benzoxazole from the orthoaminophenol. Orthoaminophenol when treated with the aldehyde, samarium triplet, it is from the benzoxazole. Benzoxazole. When treated with this, there are the different method of the benzoxazole method. There are 4 methods here. From orthobromoaniline also in acetyl aromatic acetyl chloride, bromoaniline it forms the product. Beckmann rearrangement. Beckmann rearrangement also benzoxazole is formed. Orthohydroxybenzophenone, Beckmann rearrangement, benzoxazole is formed. From orthoacyl aminophenol, it is benzoxazole is formed on heating, benzoxazole formed. Oxidative ring closure, phenolic cis keeps base, benzoxazole is formed. Reaction cyanogen bromide, BRCN, orthoaminophenol, benzazole is formed. Nitration reaction, 6-nitro derivative results, benzoxazole reacted with the nitric acid in the presence of sulfuric acid. 6-position nitro group is attaching. Amination, hydroxylamine, HCl, it is amine group is attached here. Benzoxazole ring. Acylation reaction, aromatic. This chlorobenzene in the presence of base, in the presence of a palladium catalyst, the benzene ring is attached 2 position here. Then alkylation reaction. Alkylation, this is a palladium catalyst. Alkylation reaction, this is forming. Then alkylation, this is also following. Benzoxazole can be alkylated using the geminal dichloroalkene, presence of palladium acetate. Then benzisothiazole, sulfur and nitrogen groups are there. These are present in the various naturally occurring bioactive molecule, antifungal, HIV inhibitor, against bacterial blight. This compound, this group is present. Benzisothiazole. Method of preparation, 1,2 benzisothiazole. This from the 3 amino 1T. This from this compound, it is benzisothiazole is formed. There are 3 methods of preparation. Benzisothiazole is formed from this compound and this compound. Benzisothiazole is formed. Starting from readily available orthomercaptal phenol also. This from this compound also benzisothiazole is formed. Copper bromide, this compound copper bromide, 2-bromoalkyl benzenamide. This is formed. Starting from 2-methyl thiobenzaldehyde oxime using the thionyl chloride and fluorobenzene, it is also benzenothiazole is formed. Reaction when these 2 compounds mix, it form this compound, new compound. Photochemistry and cycloaddition reactions. So, in summary, we have learned the pyrazoles can be synthesized from 1,3-dicarbonyl compounds, alkylation reaction of the pyrazoles. Pyrazoles yield an alkyl product. Reactions of the uh, pyrazole with the potassium borohydride form. It reacts with the potassium borohydride. Carbon 4 position rich in electron density through electrophilic substitution can be carried out of 4 substituted pyrrole. Imidazole was synthesized by German chemists. There are several other methods of synthesizing imidazoles. Imidazole undergo halogenation, nitration, alkylation, alkylations. Oxazole can be synthesized from Robinson graphene from the haloketones. Oxazole undergo protonation, electrophilic substitution, nucleophilic substitution, oxidation reduction, Diels-Alder reactions. Isothiazole exhibit electrophilic substitution, nucleophilic substitution, oxidation reactions. Under benzofuel systems, synthesis reaction of the indazole, benzoxazole, and benzisothiazoles already we have read. So these are the questions and answers are already there. So you have to practice it. So it is already over. Hello. Hello.
ଆଜ୍ଞା ମ୍ୟାଡ଼ାମ।
हाँ तमें एगुड़ा सब practice you have to practice it actually synthesis you have to practice and question answers are already questions are there and you have to practice it answers are already there so all these structures it's a basically all the heterocyclic compounds their synthesis and their properties their properties are electrophilic nucleophilic addition nucleophilic reaction electrophilic reactions rearrangement reactions all these things so you have to practice it okay
ଆଜ୍ଞା ମ୍ୟାଡ଼ାମ।
okay